Hello everybody, I have this bed for you guys from BedStory, and the packaging came in really nice. I just opened up the box, put it on the top of the bed frame. You gotta make sure you're not in the way as you open it up. Now I used a utility knife to open it up, and midway through I realized in the bottom of the packaging it did come with a cutter, sort of like a mail opener. You definitely wanna use that. It makes it a lot easier, and then you don't have to worry about, accidentally cutting the mattress. So definitely make sure to use that when opening it up. First off, I want to mention the craftsmanship of the mattress. As you guys can see, what looks like a leather patch, which is crazy, even a little handle here. You can tell it's just very good quality materials. And I love the way it looks too with all the swirls on top. Now it does have gel memory foam on top, so it is going to be quite soft, but then underneath it is firm. So you're gonna get both the softness, but then once you hit that second layer, it's gonna be nice and firm, so it's gonna have a lot of lumbar support. I'm gonna try to get the best shot possible for you guys so you guys can kind of see how it looks when I'm laying down on it. But like I said, you kind of sink into the foam a little bit, but once you hit that second layer, it is quite firm and very comfortable. Good for back sleepers, side sleepers, whatever you guys are. Now this is the 12-inch twin, but they have all sorts of different sizes for you guys depending on your needs. So I really like the quality of it, and if you guys are really looking for something that's nice and soft but still has that nice firmness that's going to be able to hold up your, have good lumbar support, a lot of support for your neck, things like that, then this is definitely going to be for you. And then that nice soft memory foam on top. So I think it's very comfortable, and I really like the quality. Again, just the materials and everything they use just feel real premium. So if you guys are in the market for a nice mattress, definitely check it out and pick one up for yourself.